Hello everybody, I'm Sartak here, and today you will be learning about payoff matrices. A payoff matrix is the outcome of a game of different strategies shown in a table. The simplest payoff matrix, C, occurs when there are only two players and two optimal strategies. This is shown on the left here, where there are two players and their strategies are either C or D. If both players select C, the payoff will be B minus C. If player 1 selects D while player 2 selects C, their payoff will be minus C. If player 1 selects C while player 2 selects D, their payoff will be B. And if both players select D, their payoff will even out and be 0. This will make more sense on the next slide. Alright, so continuing on, this is a very common example for payoff matrices. So we have two players, Henry and Dave. Both are accused of robbery, and both are interrogated separately. If both stay silent, they receive 2 years. If one stays silent and one confesses, they will get either 5 years or 1 year. And if both confess, they get 3 years. So that's a common example of game theory and payoff matrices. So moving on, there's going to be another example with investor 1 and investor 2. This is a common example in game theory. So they could either hold or sell, and if investor 1 decides to hold and investor 2 decides to hold, it would be 0 and 0. If investor 1 decides to sell while investor 2 decides to hold, it would be 0, -1. If investor 1 decides to hold while investor 2 decides to sell, it would be -1, 0. And if they both decide to sell, it would be 0.5 and 0.5. So what do these numbers mean? These are the outcomes of the players' actions. So for example, if they both decide to hold, they both are even with 0 and 0 apiece. So stay tuned for our next topic, P equals NP. Thank you. Have a nice day.